So there is a cat. We've been chasing her, but she won't run away. She won't go. She wants to this bird. It's weird. The little boy from the neighbors. She walks a bit, but I tied on a small rope, so it won't be like I'm chasing the cat and bird in a minute. But in a way that I can't hurt her or something. See, she's still hunting. But to be fair, she caught it. But it's funny because she caught it, but she didn't hurt it. She brought it home. And we were in the bedroom and we decided to come out of the bedroom. But then we found her playing with the bird. And we took it. Puss? Don't even think about it. I can see you thinking. See her. She's going nuts about the damn bird. Yeah. What are you doing? Is that your bird? Puss! You! Shoot, silly little cat. See, she's getting closer and closer every minute. Let me pick up this bird before it ends really badly. I don't want it to die because my daughter really likes it. Who's that?
My baby.
Is that your baby? Yeah, don't eat it now.
It's just me.
You want the puss to eat it?
No.
It walks though. When I let it go and the cat is not here, then she walks. Yeah. Yeah. Puss? You're wondering what's wrong with me today, eh, Puss? I like the bird. I like you too still, but I like the bird.
It's red.
See, it looks like a witch. Still fiery. Nothing. Ooh! See my cat getting ready to eat it. What is it, Ma? Here. Take your baby. Put her in your pocket.
Pocket.
Yeah. Do you have a pocket? Put it in the pocket. Tell it, get in the pocket. It doesn't fit in your pocket, Ma.
No.
Bye, everybody. If you know what I am, please tell me. Looks like a dinosaur. You know that movie with the dinosaur and and that crow that was telling the story? Kind of reminds me of it. And it's not very big. It like fits in my hand like that. It's really chill too. See. Anyway.